In this video, you'll learn how to use Notion's peak page previews. This feature allows you to quickly view content from other pages without navigating away from your current workspace. By the end of this guide, you will be able to seamlessly access and preview various pages within Notion. Start by navigating to Notion's website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page loads, you will need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. This step is essential to ensure you have access to your personal or team workspace. Next, select a page that you would like to peek at. Browse through your workspace to find the specific page you want to preview. The page may contain text, images, or other embedded content that you want to access quickly without leaving your current view. After that, locate the three dots icon, which typically represents additional options. This icon is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that provides various actions related to the selected page. Once the menu appears, click on the option that says Open Inside Peek. This action will open a preview of the selected page in a side panel, allowing you to view its content while still keeping your original page open. This functionality is especially useful for cross-referencing information without losing your place. Now, if you want to explore a specific section of the page, such as viewing a particular date or event, you can click on that section, like the January 26 link. This interaction will display the relevant content from that section in the side peek, enabling you to gather information quickly. To view database entries, you will need to click on the database link associated with your content. Doing this will display a list of available database entries. After the database loads, you can repeat the process of clicking the three dots for any entry you wish to preview. When you click on the three dots for a specific entry, select Open Inside Peek again. This will allow you to view the details of that database entry without navigating away. It is important to note that if the database contains numerous entries, you may need to scroll to find the specific item you want. If you want to peek at another page from the database, click on the three dots for that entry and select Open Inside Peek. This allows you to continue exploring different pages and entries efficiently, maintaining your workflow without interruptions. To exit the side peek or return to your original page, simply click on any blank space outside the side panel. This action will close the preview and redirect your focus back to the main content area. If you find that your workspace is cluttered, remember to organize your pages and databases for easier navigation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.